Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. And if you're one of my beloved returning subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. So in this video, I would like to share a Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale haul. I picked up a few things and I would just like to share that with you. So I got my bag of stuff here. Okay, good. So let's just jump in. I don't need any more body care. I wanted some more body care, but I did need hand soaps. So I got a few of those. So without further ado, I picked up a body care in cotton candy champagne, which I absolutely love. And I really need to get up a review for this. I've been wearing this one and I absolutely love it. The scent notes are bubbly rosé, sweet strawberry, and pink sugar, and it's right up my street. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Very sweet and candy-like, and I love that. So I picked up another body cream because the fine fragrance mists tend to last me a pretty long time. I don't know though. I may go pick up another fine fragrance mist in this because but I go through the body creams like really fast. So I try to stock up on those more than the fine fragrance mist. So that is cotton candy champagne. And then I picked up a midnight swim in the body cream. And these were 75% off, I believe. Most of it was 75% off. The cotton candy champagne, that may have been 50% off. I don't remember, but it was a good deal either way, right? So Midnight Swim is, the fragrance notes are blue waters, bleach flower, and fresh coastal air. And this one, it's like aquatic and fresh. And I really like this one. So yeah, picked up another Midnight Swim. And sugared snickerdoodle. Yes, because need to do a review for this too. I've been slacking, you guys. I'm so sorry, but I really do like this one. It's smells like a snickerdoodle. So if you want to smell like a snickerdoodle, try this. But snickerdoodle spice, creamy vanilla, and sugared musk. And I really like it, which is surprising because I've really been leaning away from bakery scents for body care and for my home, which I used to love them. And just lately, I have just been like, not so much. Oh, you can see Peyton in the reflection there. Hi, Peyton. Yeah, he's watching the neighbors. He's a little spy. Hi, buddy. And then I picked up a fine fragrance mist in Sun-Kissed. I like this one from this summer. This is Sun-Drenched Orange Blossom, Sparkling Sea Salt, and Vanilla Breeze. Yeah, I like this one too. And the packaging is so pretty. I love the little sailboat on there too. Yes. And then I picked up, oh my gosh, one of my favorites, Open Sky. I love this one so much. The fragrance notes are fresh air, wild blackberries, soft violet, and a cloud of comforting vanilla. I love vanilla just makes everything better, in my opinion. But this smells like Marc Jacobs Perfect. I did a review on this, and it is perfect. I love this one. Love it, love it, love it. Sad to see it go. Okay, so then for hand soaps, I did the 4 for $20 because I really didn't like the clearance ones that they had. I guess because I'm not like a fall and winter fragrance type of person. But, and I actually paid full price for this one. You Cake My Breath Away, Sweet Sugar Sprinkles. And this one is whipped vanilla, confetti sprinkles, and sugared strawberries. And yes, I paid $7.50 for this because I smelled it in the store. I can't really get this off, but okay, so I'm not gonna try. But this smells like candy, like sprinkles, like candy. And I love stuff like that. So I actually paid full price for that. And then the rest of these were 4 for $20. I got vanilla blush. And I like the gray packaging on that. It's cute. Vanilla blossom, peony, and sheer musk. Did I smell this one in the store? Let's see. I don't remember. Vanilla and musk. Okay. It's okay. I love vanilla, so I'll be fine with that. Sea salt and lime. Well, I love anything lime. This is chilled lime, fresh eucalyptus, and sea salt. I love eucalyptus too, so I'm sure I'll love this. And I do. Lime and eucalyptus with like a hint of sea salt. Yes, I'm glad I got that one. Pink apple punch. I have smelled this one in the candle, and I really like it. Crisp apples, sun-kissed melon, and sugar crystals. Yeah, it smells like an apple punch with sugar in the hand soap. Anyway. Yeah, I like that one. I like fruity and citrus. Island Margarita. It's one of my all-time faves. I just love this so much. Fresh squeezed lime and sea salt. See, I love lime. I tried to warn you guys. Oh, this one's dripping. Yes, it smells like a margarita. And it's funny because, I mean, I don't love to drink margaritas. I don't really drink that much, but I mean, I have tried a margarita. It's not my favorite drink, but I love anything that smells like a margarita. That's kind of weird, right? So that's it. That's what I picked up for the semi-annual sale. What are you guys stocking up on? For fall and winter, there weren't too many that I really loved, just because I gravitate more towards spring and summer. So I'm really excited to see what collections Bath and Body Works brings out for the spring. I'm already looking forward to spring. I know. Winter just started on December 21st, and I'm already thinking about spring. So thank you guys so much for hanging out. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.